Exercise 1.25 and also 1.26. It turns out these two are directly linked with each other, and actually 1.26 looks like the result of 1.25. So we can go ahead and change the tab name from 1.25. We can change it to 1.25 and 1.26. Or not, up to you, but I prefer to have everything organized, so 1.25 and 1.26 should be correctly noted. So let's explore the data set. We have a list of dates. Of course, it recommends you to add more dates that means something for you. Feel free to do so. But for this example, let's just focus on these 6. We will try several functions. For example, this one we will try the function day, and then give the input of this, and here we go. We have the day of this date, so only the 11th is retrieved, not the September, not the 2001. So if following this logic, we should have 22 here and 4 and 26, etc. Let's see if that's the case. Yeah, that is the case. Using the day function can give you the day of the date. Here we try another function, also quite straightforward, called months. So following that logic, if we choose before as input, the months should be September. The output should be September. Oh, it turns out it will be a number, not a written form of September. So it's a nice month. Next one should be 11 and 10 and 12, etc. Let's see if that's the case. Yes, I believe until now you will see the pattern and figure out how to do the year function, right? Yes. So in some cases only the day is relevant, or only the month is relevant, or you want to filter some information that based on the year only, then you can just clean this data by using the day, month, year function to retrieve only the relevant information from the dates. And there's another function, weekday, and this function, by the name you can imagine, it tells you which day of the week is that date. But this is a little bit different, because in certain religion or certain cultures that they start counting the first day of the week as Sunday, and some others calculate Monday as the first day, and also depends on your line of work. It could be any day as a starting date of the week. If you work for certain industries that choose Wednesday to be the beginning of the fiscal week or functional week, yeah, you have to comply with such rule. So how can we define which day is the starting day of the week? Here you see the argument return type, which is an optional one, but we will explore what's in it anyway. So we have the input and click on semicolon, and we have all the other return types. Here we see the return type number 2 would be Monday to Sunday. That's probably the most common setting that we're familiar with, so we choose this one. Number 2, that means Monday is the first day. So here we go. Oh, we receive a number 2, so that means Tuesday. since Monday is 1, now 2 is Tuesday. And if we drag it downwards, we can easily interpret this is a Friday, that's a Sunday, Friday, and Saturday. So I guess this example is sufficient for you to know the day, month, year, and weekday function, and this is exactly the result you're gonna see in 1.26. Alright, this is a merged version of 1.25 and 26, and I will see you in the video I explain the 1.27.